first time niya natulog dito, guys. Kasi meron siyang pagkain. Look at that.
Mang, towel ma! Basi mag-ulan!
Good morning, sunshine. So, it's super early, guys. It's 7 a.m. and today we are going to Banga. So, yung kapatid ko pupunta ng work, yung babae. And then, yung isa naman is kukuha siya ng motor, I guess. So, yeah, let's go, guys. This is my very simple outfit. Favorite ko yung white. I always wear this and it's one of my favorite. So, yeah. It's just a normal day today kasi babalik lang naman ako, guys, for something na importante and hopefully it will work later. Next, enter amount and then type how much. Okay. Then enter. And then wait until it will come out. Yes. Do you need a printed receipt? Then say yes. We're working on it. And then, ayun guys, lumabas na siya dito. Take your card. And then, ayun na yung pera. And then receipt. Balut. Thank you. Here in the town, in municipal of my town, my brother will get situla for the requirements for his motorcycle. He will what's this called? He will process the requirements he needs today. So that's the reason why we're here in the municipal town. She was selling migo, walis tambo. Look here.
Babakit gata siya, Bonbon?
Spot, come on. Look.
Bakay ba?
How are you, my little Spot? Why you so pretty?
Ako ga pabakay.
Why you so pretty? Answer. Answer me. Why you so pretty? Sit. Oh, you're itching. Guys, naglalagay sila ng sands. Ayan, ang hirap na namang dumaan dito. Ayan, motorcycle will be suffer again with this road. Okay, so here we are, guys. I am at the road right now, and I'm going to show you guys what they did in the road. So here we are. They put some sands on the road from there also. So for sure it's gonna be hard again for the motorcycle to, you know, to drive on this hallway. Look at that, because they put big stones with what's this called, sand. You see that? And then there's some space over there. They don't even put sands with it. They just escape in that part, and they are already on the end, not like in the end. They are skipping this side. I don't know why. This is Storm, our beautiful dog. He was very tired. I think he went to the natural wall to just drink some water. Look at this. There's a lot of big stones. And this one, oh my god, look at that. For sure they don't have like this big stone. So let's put it there inside, because my brother use this, you know, side, and they have a huge stone like this. Okay, so yeah, that's it. They won't even do anything in this road for sure. They will just let motorcycle to just, you know, go in there and use that, because they don't want to spend, you know, energy again for that thing.